Good morning, children. Today we know the grammar part, changing the form of sentences. Changing the form of sentences from your book, the page number 82. So remember that we can change an affirmative sentence into negative by using not after the special verb. The special verbs in English are is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, does, did, will, shall, should, can, could, must, etc. So, we use these verbs. These are special verbs. So, we use not word to make affirmative sentence into negative sentence. So here there is example. She is your sister. She is your sister. So this is affirmative sentence. She is your sister. So we only use, so here there is a special verb, there is a list. So he is here. So she is a singular. So they used is. Okay. She is your sister. So what they told here, by using not. So we make the negative sentence by using not after the special verb or after the special verb. So here she is your sister. So we use not word after the special verb. So she is not your sister. She is not your sister. So we used not after the is. Okay, she is not your sister. So this is negative sentence. This is negative sentence. So is not, here underline the word is not. So here she isn't your sister. She isn't your sister. So we write isn't. The full form of isn't is not. So we write isn't as a short form of is not. So next, they are going home. They are going home. So we used not after the word are. They are not going home. They are not going home. So next, they aren't going home. They aren't going home. So aren't is a short form of are not. Next, we can change an assertive sentence into interrogative by placing the special verb in the beginning of the sentence. So here we change assertive sentence into interrogative. So I already told you. So the sentence makes a statement, it is called assertive. The which sentence makes a question, that is interrogative. So in the last class we know that. So here, that is Mary's doll. That is Mary's doll. So this is assertive sentence. Okay. Next, we make a question like, is that Mary's doll? Is that Mary's doll? Question mark. This is an interrogative sentence. So we use the special verb in the beginning, so that makes the sentence into interrogative or questioning sentence. So we use is in the beginning of the sentence, and then we use after subject, is that Mary's doll. So here, that is Mary's doll, that is assertive sentence. Is that Mary's doll? So question mark. This is interrogative sentence. So has same like, those are your shoes. Those are your shoes. This is assertive sentence. So next, we turn this sentence into interrogative. Has, are those your shoes? Are those your shoes? Question mark. So next, for a negative interrogative, not should be added to the special verb. We can place not after the subject also. So we can use not after the subject also. See here, is she not your sister? Is she not your sister? So we can make a negative sentence, negative interrogative sentence like this. So here, is not she your sister? Is not she your sister. So here we used not before the subject. Okay. Next, is not. The short form is isn't. Isn't she your sister? So that is also question mark. That is also interrogative sentence. Isn't she your sister? Next, are they not going home? Are they not going home? So here, are not they going home? Or not they going home? So aren't they going home? So here we used short form or not, aren't, then full form or not. So we used aren't they going home. So we used not should be placed in a special verb. Then we can place not after the subject. So subject part, then predicate part. Next exercises. Turn each statement into negative, interrogative, negative, interrogative. So we have to turn the each sentence into first negative, then interrogative, negative, interrogative. So here there is one example. She was ill last week. She was ill last week. Okay. Next, so you know that this is a affirmative sentence. So next we have to turn the sentence into first negative. So we have to use not. Okay. She wasn't ill last week. She wasn't ill last week. So was not. Wasn't is a short form. Was not is a full form. So here she was not ill last week. She wasn't ill last week. This is a negative sentence. So next, interrogative means questioning sentence. Interrogative means questioning. So here we used was first. Was she ill last week? Was she ill last week? So we don't use not verb in this sentence because they only ask interrogative. What? Interrogative. So I wrote, was she ill last week? Was she ill last week? Question mark. This is interrogative sentence, means questioning statement. Next, negative interrogative. So in the third sentence we use not also, then we make a questioning sentence also. So I wrote, wasn't she ill last week? Wasn't she ill last week? So was not she ill last week? Question mark. So we can also write wasn't or was not. Next, so here next I wrote this example. You can heat this. You can heat this. First I wrote negative sentence like you can not heat this. You cannot heat this. So children, please remember that we used not for negative sentence. Okay. You can not heat this. Next, interrogative. Can you heat this? So interrogative sentence we don't use not. So we can directly questioning the statement, can you heat this? Question mark. Next, negative interrogative. Can't you heat this? Can't you heat this? Or cannot you heat this? So you have to write these three forms. Next, they will help me. First negative, they will not help me. Next, interrogative, will they help me? You have to change these words. You have to change these two words. Next, won't they help me? Means will not they help me? So negative interrogative. First negative, won't they help me? So automatically it would be questioning sentence. Next, you are doing your homework. Next, first you have to change negative sentence. You have to write negative. You are not doing your homework. full stop. You were not doing your homework. Next sentence, interrogative sentence. Are you interrogative? Are you doing your homework? Are you doing your homework? Question mark. Next, negative interrogative. Aren't you doing your homework? Aren't you doing your homework? Means are not doing your homework. You have to write negative and then interrogative. So you have to write these sentence in a negative, interrogative, negative, interrogative. So you have to write the question number 5. You have to try this question number 5, 6, 7 and 8 in your homework book. This is your homework. Try it once. Next, turn each question into negative. Turn each question into a negative question, a negative statement, an affirmative statement. So here one example, are those shoes yours? Are those shoes yours? So first negative question, aren't those shoes yours? Aren't those shoes yours? Automatically you remember there is a negative here, so you have to use the word not. Okay, not. So in a short form they used aren't. So you also used are not those shoes yours? Question mark. Okay, negative question. Next, a negative statement. Those shoes aren't yours. Those shoes aren't yours. Full stop. Next, affirmative statement. So we have to, affirmative statement means assertive, like assertive. Those shoes are yours. So we don't use not like question mark. So we don't use that type of words here. So we have to only write in a affirmative statement, those shoes are yours. Next, he is Neha's father at home. He is Neha's father at home. So first we write negative question, isn't Neha's father at home? Isn't Neha's father at home? Negative question. Next, negative statement. Only negative statement. Neha's father is not at home. Neha's father isn't at home. Neha's father isn't or is not at home. So negative statement. Next, affirmative statement. Neha's father is at home. Neha's father is at home. So in this sentence we used not. So in the first sentence we used not and also question mark. In second sentence we used only not question mark. So in a third sentence, an affirmative, only we gives a statement. Okay, not used the word not or question mark or any question. So next, third one, was Manu late for school? Was Manu late for school? So first negative question, wasn't Manu late for school? Wasn't Manu late for school? So next, negative statement. Manu wasn't late for school. Manu wasn't late for school. So next, affirmative statement. Manu was late for school. Manu was late for school. So here, in a first sentence, in a negative sentence, we used directly isn't. Okay, isn't means we directly used verbs. Next, in a negative statement, we directly used from noun. Okay, next in affirmative sentence is also we directly write from the name of a person or noun. So this is your grammar part. You have to write in a second main the question number 4, 5, 6. So try this. I gave example and then I wrote these 2 example, and then you have to try these 3 example as in your homework book. Thank you, children.